Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has left Dhaka for Beijing on a 4-day bilateral visit and invitation of her Chinese counterpart. A special flight of Biman Bangladesh Airline carrying the Prime Minister and her entourage departed from Hazrat Shah Jalal International Airport at 11 a.m. On July 9, President of ASEAN Infrastructure Investment Bank will pay a courtesy call on Sheikh Hasina. Afterwards, the Prime Minister will join a summit on trade, business and investment opportunities between Bangladesh and China. Later, the Bangladesh Premier will meet the Consultative Party President. On July 10, a delegation-level bilateral meeting led by Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and Premier of State Council of China will be held, where MOUs will be signed in presence of them. Later, the Bangladesh Prime Minister will pay a call on Chinese President Xi Jinping at the Great Hall of the People, Beijing. Concluding the visit to China, Sheikh Hasina will depart for Beijing Capital International Airport for home at 11 a.m. local time on July 11.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।